Being a stepfather doesn't mean replacing anyone. It means showing up without overstepping. And that's harder than people realize. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. If you're becoming a stepdad or you already are one, there's something you need to hear. Your role isn't to erase a biological parent. Your role is to be an additional line of support, an extra example, another safe adult that a child can count on. If a child has a great relationship with their father, your goal is pretty simple. Support that relationship, respect it, and reinforce it. You're not there to compete, and you're not there to take a title. You're there to help raise a good human. And if there isn't a father figure in their life, then you step into that space carefully. By being consistent, patient, and present. Not forceful, not demanding, just steady. So one of the biggest mistakes stepdads make is skipping boundaries. You have to work as a team with your significant other, and that means private conversations about discipline, tone, and expectation along with limits. You don't correct the child before you align with your partner, and you don't parent from ego. You parent from unity. Because kids feel tension before they understand words. And if you already have kids of your own, this part matters. Don't just assume that your parenting style automatically applies to every child. Every child is different and every situation is different. What worked before might not work here, and that doesn't mean you're wrong. It just means you need to learn. The truth is, being a stepdad requires patience. You're new, and new can feel scary to kids. Sometimes they'll test you, and sometimes they'll push back. Sometimes they won't open up right away, and that's not failure, that's just fear. Trust isn't built by forcing a bond, it's built by being consistent over time. So, for myself, I have a bonus son. I'm no longer with his mother, but the bond I built with him will last the rest of his life. He knows that no matter what, he has someone in his corner, and that matters. Titles fade, but presence doesn't. So if you're stepping into this role, just know it's challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You're not replacing anyone, you're just adding something. And sometimes, being the extra support is what changes everything. If you have a bonus child, I'd love to hear your story. The wins, the struggles, the lessons. Let's keep this conversation going. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. God bless.